Alright guys, I'm just going to show you, I've had a bunch of people ask me a couple of questions about doing their bell work assignment. So what I've done here is I've created a student account for me, so this is what it looks like for you guys when you log in. So I'm going to go to class, it's actually posted on here, so you can either get to it from the front page, so here's the assignment, or you can go ahead and go up to classwork. And you can see the assignment here as well. Okay, so if I click on that, I can go ahead and click on the Google Slides. It's already got my name on it. And you got to wait a minute for it to open up. And you're going to notice any of you guys that were in my class last year for 7th grade, these are the same bell work assignments that we did, only they've been made digital, which means we can do them right on the screen here. You'll notice the name, my name appears up here at the top. If it doesn't appear up here at the top, you can click on there and put your name in, but leave the rest of it right there. One thing that I would recommend, and one thing that I do a lot of, is I zoom in on it. So I'm going to go to 100%, and I can see everything up here. So it says change the name of the presentation to, put your first and last name, and then leave the rest of that up there. It says you can type directly in the upper left corner. All changes will save automatically, which is awesome. This will save. You don't have to do anything. Follow the directions for each task. You can type directly into the red boxes. So for example, here's a red box. When I click in it, it allows me to type something in here. So let me just type words. Okay, so it allows me to do that, and you'll notice up here it was saved just a second ago, and it's saved right there. Okay, all of your answers will save automatically. Check with your teacher on how to submit work, and we'll talk about that as well. So I know we didn't have a Monday class, but I'm going to show you a couple of things up here. For name, obviously you're going to put your name in here, and I'm going to put my name because I'm pretending I'm a student. Week of. So we always go week of based on the date of the Monday of that week. So the week of 9/8/2020. So that's the week of, we start, that's actually Tuesday, but it's the week of 9/8/2020. You could put 7 there and it would still be fine. The date on the day that you did this. So if this were Monday, this would be 9/7/2020. Alright. That looks a little goofy there, but I wouldn't worry about it. Okay, so down here, it says an analogy shows a relationship between two pairs of words, type of analogy, and examples. So these are just showing you how this works. Over here, you can see there's 3 questions and there's 4 choices for each one. So what they want you to do is you're going to grab, and you'll notice when I hover over the check mark, you can click on it and you can move it. So you're going to put the check mark in one of these 4 boxes. So it says catastrophe is to disaster as circumstance is to situation. Okay, so up here you have to make a decision what the answer is going to be, and you're going to go ahead and drag this to wherever it is. Now I'm not telling you if that's the right answer or not, but if you thought it was, that's where you drag it to. The other thing is, over here, you need to decide whether those are synonyms or antonyms. So you're going to click in the box and you're going to type either synonym or antonym right up there, so you can go ahead and make sure you don't spell them wrong. Okay? So, and that's what you do for Monday. So, and then each day of the week is listed on here, and once you get down to Friday, you're just going to go ahead and it's going to be saved. And at some point, at the end of the week, you're going to hit the submit button. So if I go up here to classwork and click on it, whoop. Actually I want to go back to, let's see, I want to go to view assignment. There we go. So all the stuff that I did, you'll notice it's up here. It's automatically been saved all week because that's the way I designed it. And then you're going to go ahead and hit the turn in button like that. It says one attachment will be submitted, and then you would hit the turn in button again. Okay, so we'll review that in person, but this is just a tutorial for those of you that I had a lot of questions today from people who weren't sure how to do that. So we'll do that for our live Zoom lesson as well.